Hello friends, my name is Dr. Mahesh Sulakshane. I am a pediatrician working in Pune. Today I am here to give you some knowledge about basic newborn care. As we know, the newborn, once it comes in the life, it gives an immense pleasure to the family and to everyone around. But when the baby comes in our life, the basic question is how do we take care of this newborn? Most of us, because they are first time parents, they may not know what is the best way to take care of this baby. So I'm going to discuss today what is the basic newborn care all about. So once the baby is born, after the 9 months of pregnancy, so what the doctor does, once they receive the baby, they clean the baby, make sure that the baby is kept warm, the cord is cut from the placenta, and the baby is cleaned and given some basic care. So first thing, when the baby is born, baby starts crying, and that's supposed to be very important. If the baby cries at birth, we consider that the baby is normal baby. Only thing we worry when the baby doesn't cry, we need to see why the baby has not cried, whether the lungs have not matured enough. For the normal healthy newborn baby, term baby who is born for a good weight more than 2.5 kg, good healthy cry means baby is healthy. And once the baby starts crying, the respiratory system of the baby starts functioning automatically, because till date for 9 months mother was the one who was providing oxygen through placenta and through her blood to the baby. Once the baby is born, baby's oxygen demand is fulfilled by own respiration. So the baby's cry is very, very important, and the doctor at the delivery time makes sure that the baby's respiratory tract is clean for the baby's healthy respiration. So once the baby started crying and the baby is clean, baby is kept warm, and then the baby is given some basic vaccination like BCG, polio and hepatitis B at birth, so that we are protecting these babies from the diseases which babies could encounter when the baby is in the family. So once the baby is born and is absolutely healthy, we check the baby's weight, give vitamin K injection to the baby, because as you know, vitamin K is very poor synthesis in the baby, and baby is required to be given vitamin K at birth, which is going to help the baby for normal blood clotting in case the bleeding happens in the baby. So this vitamin K is also very, very important to be given at birth. So basic immunization and vitamin K once given to the baby, we hand over the baby to the mother, who after the recovery from the delivery period starts breastfeeding. So we encourage the breastfeeding to be initiated within first 30 minutes after the delivery. If it's a normal delivery, mother is very healthy, and we encourage mothers to start breastfeeding, because early breastfeeding is going to give a lot of colostrum, which is the first few initial secretions from the breast, which are very important for immunity development. And this colostrum is going to make sure that baby is fighting with the germs when it comes into the life. As we know that baby has no immunity or zero immunity once it comes into the life, and once they are exposed to the environment, the immune system is triggered and baby starts fighting with the germs. To fight this germs better way, the colostrum is very, very important, and we encourage mothers, all the mothers, whether the normal delivery or C-section babies, we encourage mothers to feed the babies within first half an hour, which also helps the mother to stop the postpartum or the after delivery bleeding, and it encourages mother to sort of bond with the baby, and automatically the lactation initiates. So this healthy lactation is very important. Breastfeeding is important for the baby's immunity, for baby's growth, for baby's brain development, for vision, eyes development. In overall, all the perspective, breastfeeding is very, very, very important, and all over the world, all the doctors and the physicians recommends the exclusive breastfeeding to be initiated and to be continued till 6 months of life. So after the breastfeeding is established, we make sure that the hygiene is maintained for the baby. We encourage parents to make sure that baby is kept in a hygienic environment and kept warm, because as you know, baby is kept warm inside the uterus, and if they are out of the uterus, they may face the cold environment. So we need to encourage the parents to keep the baby warm as well as hygienic. So hand hygiene is very, very important. We encourage not to touch the baby unnecessarily. We encourage the cord care. The umbilical cord needs to be kept clean. by using antiseptic solution, to making sure that the cord is not wet. Just because the umbilical cord is there and it is quite wet initially during the birth time, we encourage that the mother has to keep that umbilical cord dry so that it falls off early. And that's why the bathing is discouraged till the cord is fall off. So we have to make sure that the cord is kept dry so that it doesn't catch any infection. So the hygiene, breastfeeding is very, very important. We have to encourage to keep the baby warm. And again, I reiterate the fact that exclusive breastfeeding is mandatory. Thank you so much. Thank you.